So my dear students, after all the journal entries, we have to do set off. Now you see what is set off. See, in few transactions we have already paid CGST, and in few transactions we have collected CGST as well as SGST. So from output CGST and output SGST, input CGST and input SGST will be adjusted, and this process is known as set off. And if we will have any extra amount, this extra amount will be deposited to government. So let's see how we will calculate this input CGST and input SGST as well as output CGST and output SGST. See, our first transaction was purchase goods for rupees 2 lakh from Surat. In this particular transaction, we have paid input CGST rupees 12,000 and SGST rupees 12,000. Next transaction was sold goods to Ramesh. In this particular transaction, we have collected 18,000 CGST and 18,000 SGST. And third transaction was purchase computer printer for office use. In this particular transaction, we have paid 3,000 input CGST, 3,000 input SGST. And in next transaction, we have paid 600 CGST and 600 SGST. Like this, total input CGST paid by us was 16,800 and 16,800 SGST. And total CGST and SGST collected by us is 18,000 and 18,000. So out of 18,000, 16,800 will be adjusted by us, and balance 1,200 rupees CGST and 1,200 rupees SGST will be deposited to government. Now see what journal entry will come. Output CGST account will be debited by 18,000 and output SGST account will be debited by 18,000 to input CGST account and to input SGST account, that is 16,800 and 16,800. So excess amount with us is 2,400, and this amount will be deposited to government's account. So to bank 2,400 rupees. So like this we will pass journal entry of set off. Thank you.